and the wig isn't tight. Oh, that's what we doing on Daily Wigs now. Okay. All right. Sorry. When I get excited, that's what happens. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm smiling. Y'all, I love when I smile. I love when I smile because these wigs really do give me different personalities and they bring me to life. So today we are talking about this real quick, affordable. Go ahead and get her. I don't know if she sold out, but get her as soon as she restocked. Just end the review. We are talking about this Outre Daily Wig Collection Jamelia wig, but I'm also going to show you guys in this video how to customize the wig when it looks a little wiggy. So this is from the Daily Wig Collection. If you're not familiar with Outre and their collection, they have a lot of different collections. This is a collection more beginner friendly, but I'm going to show you guys how to customize this wig and make it look more, you know, more like lace frontal-ish. So definitely stay tuned for that. She's a beautiful wig, and if you customize her, she doesn't have to look so wiggy. I mean, she looks fine the way she is, but if you do a little bit more, she could really look upgraded. Before we get started, y'all give this video a thumbs up for your girl. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump into it. All right guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this daily wig. So I have the style Jamelia. I'm gonna talk this video through. I haven't talked to y'all in a while. You know, I'm always fast forward in this part, but how y'all feeling? Y'all okay? Are y'all okay? Because I'm feeling good. So this is from the Daily Wig Collection. So for all my people that are new here and aren't familiar with Outre and their different collections, there's different collections on wigs. I think y'all need to understand different collections. Once you understand different collections, you understand exactly what you sign up for. And I say that because I already know what kind of wig this is gonna be because it's from the Daily Collection. It's a daily put on your head and go collection. So without even looking at this wig, I already know I'm not gonna get lace, so I'm not gonna be disappointed. I'm not gonna get hairline. I'm not gonna get a lot of stuff. So you have to understand what you're going into a situation so you know what to expect, okay?
Got it.
So with that said, all right, let's go ahead and pull her out the pack. This is crazy because I reviewed a wig. I think it was Outre Aviana, and it was a very simple wig. So when I reviewed Aviana, I didn't talk to you guys in that review, and I'm sorry. It was like 2 minutes long, but I was a little disappointed. But I should have known exactly what kind of wig that was. It was a lace part wig. Like, come on, you're not going to get that much. Okay. Ooh, oh, this texture is nice.
Noise.
This texture is nice. Okay, Outre, that's what y'all putting on daily wigs now. So let's go ahead and talk about the cap construction. So fresh out the pack. Okay, so Daily Wig is giving us a little band. This right here is very quick to put on your head. Like, boom, put it on your head and run out the door. Okay, so this is very good. We're getting a band here. You're gonna get 2 combs. You're gonna get one right here. You're gonna get one right here. You're also going to get a comb in the back, and you also get this nice stretchy cap. You can't scratch your head or anything with this cap, but it's nice and stretchy, so that's pretty cool. And this is what I was talking about with daily wigs. There's no lace to cut, so it's very beginner friendly, and it's very easy when you have a daily wig. You get it out the pack, and it's boom, that's it. It's the old school situation. So you're going to get a lace part, but that's it. No hairline. So I don't want y'all to say they didn't give me no hairline. We knew what we were expecting when we came into this situation. So now this texture is beautiful. Do y'all see this texture? Woo, this texture is nice. This is nice. So this is definitely a yucky situation going on here. If you don't like yucky, don't get the wig. Understand what you sign up for before you sign up for it, and that's it. I already have a wig grip on. It's really good to go in with a wig grip for, I'm sorry y'all, the wind is blowing. Let me close the door. So it's really good to go in with a wig grip. The reason you go in with a wig grip is so your wig doesn't slide. You know, sometimes when you're in the middle of a lunch break and you go and you check in the bathroom and your wig is back here, it's because you didn't have a wig grip on. Put the wig grip on so the wig don't slide. This band actually, okay. The band is not tight and the wig isn't tight. Oh, that's what we doing on Daily Wigs now. Okay, all right, sorry. When I get excited, that's what happens. So daily wig, like I said, lace part, right? Hairline? No. We don't get hairlines on daily wigs, but we know that. So this cap feels very comfortable, very, very comfortable. It is very stretchy and very comfortable. So off the bat, I'm looking wiggy. That's what's gonna happen with a daily wig collection. You're gonna look wiggy. Now the way to make it not look so wiggy, let's go ahead and do some things. I think I'm gonna play some music and talk this part through because I tend to talk too much and my videos get too long, but then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wrap it all up, okay? So first tip is to fix this tight part. On wiggy wigs like this, you're gonna have a real tight part. If you notice, I'm gonna go in and I'm plucking out this part. I'm going in and pulling out the strands individually, but you can go in and tweeze it if you like. So next I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut out this bulkiness in the front. This is a tip for not looking so wiggy. I learned this tip from Is That Your Hair, so shout out to you, girl. The wig is gonna lay flatter on your head and it's not gonna look so bulky and wiggy. At first, when I heard of this, I thought that the whole wig would come apart, but it doesn't. So it's okay to cut it. I was just showing you guys how slow I was doing it. I'm pulling out some more hairs. I just couldn't find my tweezers, but if you go in very slowly and pull out some hairs, you can do it that way or use tweezers. Be careful because you don't want to put any holes in your lace. So I just zoomed in to show you guys how little that I cut off. Next, another tip is to go in and cut a small V where that part is. This is going to eliminate that harsh line of demarcation. After you do all of this, you can also put some of the hair off your hairline, but I just don't like to leave any of my hair out. So that's just personal preference. And then I'm just going in and cutting more to make it look more flat. You see how flat it looks compared to when you don't cut it? So now I just did this part off camera for the sake of timing. I know y'all be skipping through these videos. It's all good. You can also shift this wig. Ooh, you see how cute that is? So you can shift her to the side, but I prefer to keep her in the middle. Another tip is going with a little bit of adhesive spray. This is gonna melt the lace down a little bit more to your scalp, and I just went in just a little bit with my hot comb. If you notice, I'm using the back of the hot comb just to flatten it out a little bit more, and a little bit of powder to open up the part, and that's it. All right, my friends, we are done. We are finished putting on this wig. So as you guys saw, I went in and I customized it a little bit more. This wig is very easy, don't get me wrong. I just felt like I needed to customize it a little bit more because I know this collection. Sometimes you have to go in a little tad bit to customize the wig so it doesn't look so wiggy. I've learned that over time. All I did was go in, as you saw, cut a small V. I plucked some hair to open up that part. I probably could open it up just a tad bit more, but you can also just go in with some powder. Go in with some powder, sis, and open up that part some more. Look how the part just widens when you add powder, so that's good to do. And I also did go in and I cut some tracks in the front here to lay it a little bit flat. I saw Is That Your Hair do it last year, and I was like, oh, that's genius. Sometimes YouTube University be teaching you stuff.
True. Superstars, everyone.
So I'm just passing it along, okay? I also did go in with some bedhead spray right here on the part. The reason I did that, I've learned with my part wigs, if you go in with a little bit of adhesive spray, it makes it look more flat and you don't see that harsh line of demarcation. As you guys see, like, she looks like she's coming out of my scalp. She looked like she's coming out of my scalp, and I'm here for it. I love the color blend on this. I love the texture on this wig. This wig is everything. You can shift her to the side if you want, but because she's a little bit secure with the bed head, I'm gonna go ahead and leave her right there. I definitely love the fact that they put this texture on a daily wig, because the daily wig collections that I have tried in the past, that texture was just silky Barbie doll hair, and I was over it. But I think if you go in and you customize it a little bit, you can get your money's worth. This style actually reminds me just like Aviana, just with a better texture. Like, why couldn't this be Aviana? The middle name is Aviana, and this should have been Aviana, because this is a good representation of Aviana, but it's not. It's Jamelia. This is kind of reminding me of Outre Kimura, if you guys remember that wig. That wig was affordable too, y'all. So Outre is giving it to us, and I like the fact that this wig is only $20. So I'll definitely be getting more colors. I think she's a winner. My hands are running comfortably through this wig, and these are the wigs that you need. that you need when you drop the kids off to school, when you need to go to Target for a quick run. This is just a wig that you need when you need a quick and easy wig. So I appreciate this daily wig collection. You definitely can get some looks out of this collection if you customize it. There's a lot of other wigs in this collection. It's a lot of them, and you can get some looks and some wears out of this collection. But don't let that harsh line of demarcation scare you away. You can customize these wigs a little bit, you know. It may not be that $40, $50 frontal, but you didn't pay for that, so you gotta work with what you have and work with what you paid for. I will pay for this again. Absolutely, I recommend this wig. I did get slight shedding because I did pluck some hair, but after that, look at this. I ain't put no wig spray. I ain't put no serum. I'm excited. I have that short one coming up for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig, but I think she's a winner, y'all. I think absolutely she's a winner. Can't go wrong with this. If you like the lippy that I have on, I just did a lip swatch video from Juvia's Place. This is the color Fierce. I'm going to be wearing a lot of reds lately because I got to promote myself, okay? I don't know who's going to promote me, but I got to promote myself, and this color is beautiful. I always tend to do dark reds with this blend because it's so amazing. So y'all need to check out that video right here if you want some options with the reds. Let me know what else y'all want to see of more how-to. Again, like I told you guys, I'm trying to do more how-to versus just straight wig reviews. I do want to do wig reviews, but I also want to show you guys the reasons, the whys, all that stuff behind it. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, especially if you like content like this. So y'all drop some comments down below. Let's chat. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.